Hi everyone, welcome to series of I Am Possible. I'm Rashmi Bedi, CEO and founder of Miss Bharat USA pageant. Very happy as Miss Bharat pageant is growing worldwide. The purpose of this pageant is to spread a message that road to success is hard to navigate. But with hard work, determination and passion, we can make our dreams come true. This is what I want everyone to know through our media, My Dream TV USA. So we have Yutika Patel, who is Miss Bharat New York first runner-up. She is here with me. I would like to welcome her.
Is our first runner-up. Yutika is our first runner-up. So round of applause for them. So we have second runner-up, first runner-up. We're going to be announcing the winner very soon. Round of applause for this gorgeous Miss category. Please exit the stage. Can I have Mrs. Bharat?
Hi Yutika, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Happy to see you wearing your crown. You look lovely.
Thank you. Thank you for giving this huge opportunity to share with a platform. It was seriously amazing experience forever.
But
And thank you for
I'm really happy that all my queens wear their crown in their heart and not in their head. That's what I really appreciate all my queens.
thank you so much. And you are the person who make us look this beautiful with the crown. You inspire us to look beautiful every day. Thank you so much for doing this great job.
No, I'm really happy, and as everybody knows that our pageant is state-wise, then we go for nationals, and of course, South Asia World has happening. Of course, it's due for 2020. We are still waiting.
I'm eagerly waiting on 2020, this South Asia. I'm like working hard towards it, but definitely I want to make this 2020 because after getting a 19 crown, I'm definitely looking forward to have the 20 crown.
I'm so happy, and viewers for Miss Bharat, the New York winners, Yuthika will be hosting our show. I'm Possible.
Thank you so much once again for giving me this huge responsibility, and I'm so happy that you choose me. And thank you. Let's have our today's guest, Alicia Merchant, who was winner and
Sure.
my friend too. So let's get a look.
Hi, Alicia. Welcome to the show.
Hi Rashmi, hi Yutika. How are you guys?
We are doing good. How are you?
I'm good as well. It's been a long time. It's been a year. We still stay in touch, but we haven't done this live show. It's been a
Right.
while.
And do you know, Alicia, we are still reigning queens of 19 because the
Yeah,
pageant for New York haven't been done yet. So
yeah,
we are
yeah.
still
Yes,
Miss Bharat.
definitely. Yeah, I was just thinking about this the other day. Like 2019 तो हम लोगों को crown मिला था. Again, 2020 we are only the queens for 2020 as well, and I feel really privileged for this crown.
Yeah, it was so much fun, and I would really like to thank our state director, Dr. Sheetal Desai. She has done a wonderful job. She's such a lovely woman and so much committed being a doctor. She has come into this field, and we are providing the platform for all of us girls to grow. That's what we look forward for. And you girls, all of them, I'm really proud of all of you. Actually, I just want to say all this
Thank
thing
you.
all the time, and great to have you on our show. So you both
It's all
continue your
because of
journey and
you.
share your journey with your viewers, and you can inspire them. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Sure.
Rashmi.
Thank you.
So, hi, Alicia. Let's look for your 2019 journey. It was so amazing that you get crowned by Shamita Shetty, and you are a Bollywood diva for our
Yes.
pageant too.
Thank
So
you.
let's get a look to your journey and get
Good evening,
refreshed.
everyone. Hello, you're looking very pretty today. Thank you. Okay, my question to you is why did you decide to compete in this pageant?
Miss Bollywood Diva. I like that. That's really cool. Bollywood Diva Alisha Bachchan will move to Monica Arora, and she is Miss Fashionista. Miss Bharat 2019 New York.
All right, thank you.
Amra Vakar.
She was just looking at me, smiling, and I was totally lost. I don't know what was happening. And like ऐसे moment में पता ही नहीं चलता है what's happening. I'm like, let it go, let it flow. That was going in my mind.
And we also saw that people were cheering up for, like, they already know that Alicia gonna be a winner. So what bring you to the pageant? Like, was you thinking कि मेरे को ये pageant करना है, or you was already preparing for the pageant? I mean, how you get attracted to the pageant? Since I know you are an IT recruiter, pageant is something else. Like going to the IT and getting to the fashion, there is two
Um,
different streams.
right. For me, actually, IT is on the second pace. My first, my passion is modeling. So I have done few pageants in India as well. I'm from Mumbai, India. So I never had a stage fear kind of thing. Always मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं, I want to do this, I want to do this. तो IT तो मेरे लाइफ में बाद में आया है, getting a job in IT, like you know, being a recruiter. सबसे पहले मेरे लाइफ में यही था, pageant, doing beauty pageant, because dancing is my hobby.
I still
Dancing is my
remember your talent run from the dancing and the way you dance. अरे जो song था was so attractive song. मैंने कहा this needs too much energy, and you was energetic. So what do you need to prepare for the pageant? Like, how do you get yourself to prepare?
Honestly, I did not prepare for this. So Rashmi wanted me to participate since 3 years, and you know there is a right time to this. So I think 2019 was the perfect time for it. I started preparing 2 days ago. Okay, I never prepared for my dance. So my mom is a good dancer, and she always tells me to, you know, put grace in your dance. You can do any steps, but there should be grace. So she selected the song. She showed me 1 2 steps, and I honestly never prepared. मैं just stage पे गई, and I'm like, okay, this is what I have to do. This is what I have to do. I was following Karina's step, the song I danced on, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था audience में सबको बहुत मजा आ रहा है doing Bollywood dancing and stuff, and that's how I think they crowned me for Bollywood diva.
Definitely, you were so graceful for having
Thank
that
you,
Bollywood diva tag. And I
thank
remember
you.
your walk. So your walk was so specifically straight. You know how you were model and you get those grays, like kind of attitude with the smile. Since we all know that was a pageant, not a beauty competition. So I still remember like जो तू ऐसे smile करके the way you walk and up like. So would you like to share that experience? Like,
Yes. So as I said, I did modeling in India. It wasn't a professional thing. It was just doing college shows, doing it on national level in Mumbai. So that's when I learned to do catwalk. Honestly, मुझे नहीं आता था heels पे कैसे चलते हैं. तो my mom bought me a new heels. She taught me stand still, stand straight. और वही जो मैं walk करती थी, वही मैंने यहाँ पे किया. तो मुझे इतना टफ नहीं लगा. इट वॉज ऑल अबाउट ग्रेस. सो मैं किसी को भी यही एडवाइस करती हूँ कि वेन एवर यू आर ऑन स्टेज, कीप स्माइलिंग. डोंट कम इट लाइक फेस पे नहीं आना चाहिए नर्वसनेस. और वेन एवर यू आर वॉकिंग, जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ. जस्ट वो ग्रेस होना चाहिए वॉकिंग में. तो मैंने से कोई भी, बिकॉज जब भी हम लोग वॉक करने जाते हैं, इफ वी बिकम कॉन्शियस, तो फिर ऐसा हो जाता है, आई एम नॉट स्टैंडिंग, मैं सही नहीं खड़ी हूँ, या मैं सही नहीं चल चल पा रही हूँ, या मुझे ये देख रहा है, या मुझे वो देख रहा है। तो हमेशा ऐसे होना चाहिए, बी योर सेल्फ, यू डोंट केयर कौन है कौन नहीं, जस्ट बी योर सेल्फ, दैट्स इट।
So, do you was you scared like तुमने जब देखा कि इतनी सारी people है, we were having lots of audience which we were not even expecting, but it was so many audience. So, how do you feel when you put your first step on the stage, like जब हमारा traditional round था and you just walked in? So, what was your feeling in the mind? Like, what was your thoughts that time?
ऑनेस्टली बहुत सारे लोग भी थे और बहुत कंपटीशन भी था। वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल्स अराउंड अस। तो मेरे दिमाग में व्हेन आई गॉट रेडी फॉर ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट और वॉक के टाइम, इतनी लाइट्स होती है मुंह पे कि आगे का कुछ नहीं दिखता। जब भी मैं स्टेज शोज करती हूँ, आई डू MC, आई डू डांस शोज व्हेनेवर, तो आगे का कुछ नहीं दिखता। तो वो मुझे पहले से ही पता है, वो मैं दिमाग से निकाल देती हूँ। जो साइड में लड़कियां होती है, आई लर्न फ्रॉम देम कि कोई क्या कर रहा है, हु इज डूइंग व्हाट, हु इज डूइंग अ मिस्टेक, तो आई कीप एन आई ऑन दैट कि मेरे से ये गलती ना हो जाए। और थर्ड थिंग इज आई एंजॉय द म्यूजिक एंड दैट्स हाउ आई वॉक, दैट्स इट। ऑनेस्टली दिस इज ऑल व्हाट आई डू।
So, can you share your experience from the practicing time? I heard we were there for like practicing one day before the pageant. So, can you share how your pageant was, like how your practicing day was?
Sure. First of all, so I was very late. I was the last person to reach the practice room. Like I just lived 10 minutes away from the venue. Still, I was late. So, and बाद में I had so many beautiful girls like you. With you, I had shared a good bond. We were 8 people in Miss Bharat, New York. Others were categories of Miss Diva, Miss Elite, and all of these. But in our category, we were pretty comfortable with each other, and I would really like to share that bond between me, you, and other girls. We were not even bothered about कि pageant कैसा होने वाला है, कौन जीतने वाला है. We were having our fun. Practicing time पे, you remember we went out and we started making TikTok. We totally forgot practicing is going on, question answers round हो रहा है, talent round हो रहा है, stage पे कैसे चलना है, outfit क्या पहनना है, कुछ दिमाग में नहीं था. You remember,
Yeah.
right? We just went,
Yeah.
we started making TikTok. We like forget practice, we'll do that later. So
Yeah,
it
we
was
were
really
like,
a good
चलो थोड़ा
journey.
हिल
Yeah.
विल निकाल के let's have some practice. I mean, let's have some TikTok. And we were literally making those TikToks on a road. Like people were, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं इतनी दोपहर में बाहर डांस कर रहे हैं. You remember that?
Yeah,
Let's
I do
मैडम जी मैं तेरा भाई
so
नहीं है,
we had
धीरे चल कोई घाई नहीं है, बस इतना ही बोलूंगा, दिखती है माशाल्लाह चलती है, इसमें दो राय नहीं है क्या. मामा बनने बोले कल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तू चाहे तो तेरा पल्लू बन जाऊंगा, मलयालम होगी.
it was just so much fun. Like everyone was in a black costume and just doing some TikTok fun and not bother like how's pageant gonna be. But do you remember how Eric was so strict about walk?
I do remember, yes, and I believe सबने उसकी बात सुननी चाहिए because उसको अच्छा experience है. तो उसने अच्छा अपना एक्सपीरियंस हमें इंस्पायर किया, जैसे वो वॉक करता है, डांस करता है. तो वैसे भी हमें एक टीचर चाहिए होता है लाइफ में, जो हमें सिखाए स्टेज पे कैसे खड़े रहते हैं या वॉक कैसे करते हैं. थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद वी हैड आवर ओन फन, वी वेंट आउटसाइड, मेड टिकटॉक. दैट वाज रियली अमेजिंग पार्ट. फिर तुम लोगों के साथ मुझे लाइक ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट डे हाफ एन आवर में इतनी अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हो गई थी. वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर प्रोफेशन, अबाउट आवर फैमिली, कौन कहाँ से है. और बहुत अच्छी जर्नी रही है मेरी.
It's never feel like we just met today. Remember, we were like talking about boyfriends and these and that and discussing and sharing some ideas. And the biggest thing I feel like we were teaching each other. Like, oh, तू ठीक से नहीं कर रही. You know what? You can walk this way. तू ऐसा नहीं कर रही. You need to put some smile on your face. And that was kind of very helpful. It feels like a family. Do you remember how Rashmi was running behind us? Like, तुमको अभी खाना खाना है, this and that, खाना खत्म हो जाएगा. She was literally pulling us to eat some food.
Yeah,
That was
Rashmi and Janak really took good care of all the girls. ऐसे नहीं फील कराया कि कोई किसी से ऊपर है या नीचे है, या किसी को डिग्रेड नहीं किया, क्रिटिसाइज नहीं किया। कोई कोई प्रॉब्लम में होता है तो फिर दोनों ही भाग के आते हैं, अच्छा आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, अच्छा ये कॉस्ट्यूम नहीं है, ये सैश नहीं, वो, एंड दे मेक इट हैपन। अगर कुछ नहीं है, जैसे मैंने एक शो किया था इनके साथ न्यूयॉर्क फैशन वीक में, और मुझे कॉस्ट्यूम से बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी। रश्मि वॉज ऑल द वे बिहाइंड, ये पहन, ये पहन, ये पहन, ये पहन। तो मुझे ऐसे कभी भी फील नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि ऐसे मेरी मॉम करती है। शी इज ऑलवेज देयर विथ मी वेयर दिस, इवन ऑन द पेजेंट डे। उस दिन मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आई एम नॉट फीलिंग कि मॉम नहीं है, शी इज जस्ट रनिंग बिहाइंड, ये कॉस्ट्यूम पहन ले, ये पहन ले, ये। तो शी वांटेड मी टू लुक परफेक्ट। तो ऐसे ही वो दूसरे लड़कियों के लिए भी पेजेंट में जनक और रश्मि हमेशा ऐसे ही रहा है कि ये करो, वो किसी को भी पीछे नहीं छोड़ते। दे टेक एवरीवन टुगेदर एंड दे, यू नो,
they just want
या।
us to run. They're like, we are graceful, we are give your 100%, and we can save everything for you. So,
राइट, राइट।
tell me, after winning crown, how do you feel? Like, how was your life affected having the crown? जैसे सबको होता है कि चलो crown है तो do you think it was a good way? Did it bring a good attitude in yourself? Like, how do you feel about it?
तो जब बेसिकली जब मैं इंडिया में थी, तो आई जस्ट मैंने 4 पेजेंट्स किए थे और मैं बस 2 ही जीती थी। इट वाज नॉट ऑन अ बिग पेस, लाइक ऐसे ही कॉलेजेस नेशनल फेस्ट था। जब मैं यहाँ पे जीती तो एवरीबडी ऑन माई सोशल मीडिया वाज लाइक, ओ मिस भारत न्यूयॉर्क, मिस भारत न्यूयॉर्क। इट वाज अ वेरी बिग टाइटल। it definitely changed my life because ऐसे भी लोग रहे हैं who जो डिग्रेड करते थे, जो जेलस होते थे, ओ यू कैन नॉट विन, ओ दिस एंड दैट, यू नो। बट मैंने उसको कभी भी दिमाग में लेके, लाइक आई नेवर हैड इट इन माय माइंड कि मैं नहीं कर सकती। तो इट डेफिनेटली मेड अ डिफरेंस, क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ पे ज्यादा पहचान मिली इन बोथ द कंट्रीज, इंडिया एंड यूएसए एज वेल। यहाँ पे इतने लोग जानने लगे। फिर रश्मि ने मुझे बहुत सारे शोज दिए। आई ऑल्सो डिड अ बेड टाइम स्टोरी विथ एरिक, इट्स सून गोइंग टू बी टेलीकास्टेड। देन ऑल्सो आई गॉट अ चांस टू बी देयर इन इंडिया डे परेड। Then again, I was also honored in Indian National Consulate because I've been serving here for 6 years. So, and also my profession. I think the video is on.
Yeah, we can see that look. So how excited you was for that India Day parade? Because you know that parade is like a huge parade. It's in New York. More of the people are on the floor to just to see who is a new diva, and you are a Bollywood diva. So how do you feel walking, having that winner title on you? And you know, it's always proud when you do flag hosting for your country. So that was a huge day. So how do you feel in between thousands of eyes looking at just looking at you because you was Miss Bharat New York and you know how huge that crown is. So
Thank you. I felt really, really, really proud that I'm representing my country in New York, first of all. मैं last year भी थी वहाँ पे, but I was on the ground representing my culture. This year I was in that big truck representing Miss Bharat New York. तो वैसे कोलैड किया जाए तो फिर I was feeling great. I was feeling top of the world. That's all I can say.
and you were having celebrities too, right? So you feel like one of the celebrity when you were just when you know that thousands of people अपने को देख रहे हैं, so you gonna feel like, oh, I am one of it. So how you're influencing society right now, being Miss Bharat New York?
Basically I never get it on my head कि I am a celebrity or something like that. Like इतनी सक्सेस भी मिलती है, then too I never become proudy. मैं उसको head तक नहीं आने देती. Oh, I am this, I am that. I always be the same with everybody in the society, with friends or everybody. Even India Day parade pe, I was feeling people like, you know, cheer for India, not as me being a celebrity. लेकिन सोसाइटी में कैसे इफेक्ट किया ये तो जैसे मैंने एक इंडियन काउंसिलेट में मैं लाइक 3 साल से वहां पे आई डू एमसी फॉर छत्रपति शिवाजी फाउंडेशन न्यूयॉर्क में। तो मैंने तब क्या किया, आई combined my profession and my beauty pageant together when they honored me. Then जैसे you
Oh,
told me IT is my profession, right? तब मैंने वहां पे जाके इंस्पायर किया लोगों को कि तुमने आईटी करना चाहिए। तो बीइंग अ मिस भारत न्यूयॉर्क, पीपल ज्यादा इंस्पायर हो गए। पहले पहले भी मैं करती थी बट इतना नाम नहीं था मेरा। आई यूज्ड टू ओनली वर्क फॉर द काउंसिलेट। बट राइट नाउ जब मुझे ऑनर किया उन्होंने, और जब मैंने वहां पे लाइक आईटी का वी डिड मार्केटिंग, तब ज्यादा लोग इंस्पायर हो गए। ऐसे नहीं किसी ने सोचा ओ इट्स ऑल अबाउट ब्यूटी पैजेंट। दे वर लाइक ओ शी इज इन दैट प्रोफेशन इन आईटी प्लस ब्यूटी पैजेंट इज हर, लाइक यू नो,
is
दैट्स
something
हर
else.
थिंग।
She is just adding the things. So,
हाँ राइट।
so being IT, being beauty pageant, and being Bollywood diva, one of the biggest thing. Are you planning to go into the Bollywood so I can see you on the big screen? Since you said your bedtime stories are coming up, so I'm definitely thinking that you are on a right path. So, what is your future plan? How do you think?
Definitely, as there is like you know सबका एक right time होता है। तो if I get any chance in Bollywood, I मुझे आए भी थे थोड़े offers after I won the pageant, but जैसे मैंने बोला right time नहीं था तो I didn't do it. I missed those opportunities. But आगे इंशाल्लाह if I have more opportunities, I'm definitely gonna do that.
So, you want to do your first film with Karan Johar? Are you looking
That's a
forward to
very
that?
big thing. No, 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 no. It's slow steps we'll go.
Slow steps. So
Um,
you're gonna be
मुझे
like,
बॉलीवुड एक्टिंग में इतना नहीं है। I just love dancing and I love these beauty pageants and I would like to serve for Miss Bharat New York 2021 2020 जो भी pageant आते हैं। Like I was very excited for this year because मुझे वहां जाना था to you know to crown the girl, उनको advice देने के लिए ऐसा करो वैसा करो। I was really excited but हुआ नहीं। But I'm more excited because I'm still crowned with Miss Bharat New York 2020। तो we'll see 2021 में। But I really want to participate in South Asia World, Miss Bharat, USA, all of those, and I'm
that
waiting
is
on to it.
happening. That is definitely happening in Atlanta, and you're most welcome coming here because since I am so prepared and I'm definitely looking forward to meet all of my old friends which I made on the first day. So, are you trying to prepare something for 2020 since we all know like how hard pageants were? I mean, definitely it was a familiar atmosphere. जहाँ हमने chit chat करे, जहाँ we went outside and made some TikToks and had some fun. But 2020 with the South Asia is the biggest thing. Like, so are you
Right.
doing some kind of preparation? Like, let's say कि चलो कुछ walking कर लेते हैं या चलो कुछ going to the gym and doing some weight lose या ऐसा कुछ weight lose तो तुझे करने आपको करने की जरूरत नहीं है since you are so perfect. But
Thank you.
anything
Uh,
which you are looking.
Preparations right now for South Asia, well honestly I'm not preparing because मुझे नहीं पता है कब क्या होगा, you know, because of this COVID situation. But definitely जब time नजदीक like करीब आता है मैं उसके टॉप पे रहती हूँ कि हाँ हाँ, मुझे यही करना है, मुझे यही डांस करना है या मुझे यही क्लोथ्स पहने। इट हैपेंस इन 2 days क्योंकि मुझे पता है रश्मि को भी मैंने एंड टाइम पे कहा था आई एम नॉट डूइंग इट बिकॉज आई हैव वर्क, मेरा मेरा जॉब है, दिस एंड शी हैज बीन ट्राइंग टू पुश मी सिंस 3 years। तो जैसे मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया मैं जीत गई। तो वो मुझे यही कहती रही कि 3 साल पहले कर लेती तब जीत जाती। तो मैंने उसको कहा नहीं, राइट टाइम चाहिए। तो अगर साउथ एशिया भी होता है तो जब राइट टाइम होगा मैं तभी ही उसको जब करीब आएगा टाइम 2 दिन पहले आई एम गोना प्रिपेयर। कोई ऐसी प्रिपरेशंस नहीं है। प्रिपरेशंस अपने अंदर होनी चाहिए। लाइक यू नीड टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट, यू नीड टू स्टेज फियर नहीं होना चाहिए, यू नीड नॉट टू बी नर्वस एंड यू नीड टू बी cool with everybody.
You need to
You
be
don't
like
have
you need to
to
be yourself when you were just
yeah,
walking on the
that's it.
pageant. All you need is to be yourself. So,
Yeah, that's right.
agar if I tell you that you have to advise 2020's girl for New York pageant, what is your advice for them?
Advice for them, as I said earlier, believe in yourself. First thing is that कभी भी like you shouldn't be criticize feel नहीं करना चाहिए कोई कुछ भी बोले। like, oh, you cannot do it, oh, you are fat, you cannot do it, oh, your skin color is this. Whoever says anything, beauty pageant is not only about beauty, it's also about brain. Even if you are not that beautiful, you rock in question answer, you rock in talent round, that's all. तो मैं सभी को यही एडवाइस देना चाहती हूँ, डोंट बी ओवर कॉन्शियस अबाउट योर ब्यूटी. Beauty will come if you're confident from inside, and like, your personality need to be down to earth. That's all you need. That's all.
So if in case अगर अपने ऐसा बात करें, so when we were there, what was the hardest part? आपको क्या लगा कि it was kind of hard for you to be like overcome? जैसे कि for me, catwalk was very hard to me. I'm like, मेरा catwalk इतना अच्छा नहीं है. I'm not gonna be winning, or I'm not gonna be getting that part. So do you have any kind of difficulties while doing that show?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है डिफिकल्टीज कम विथ, अगर तुम उसको दिमाग में रखते हो. तो मेरी डिफिकल्टी ये थी कि मुझे लाइक अगर मुझे किसी ने कुछ पूछा स्टेज पे, या मैं कोई डांस भूल गई, या मैं कोई कैटवॉक भूल गई, तो क्या होगा. तो मैंने क्या किया, वही मेरी डिफिकल्टी थी, तो मैंने क्या किया, उसको दिमाग से ही निकाल दिया. तो दैट्स ऑल. तो मुझे ऐसे फील होता है कि जैसे तुमने कहा तुम्हें कैटवॉक का फियर है, तो कोई भी फियर है, जो भी डिफिकल्टी है, जस्ट टेक इट ऑफ फ्रॉम योर माइंड. दैट्स इट. मुझे बहुत सारी थी, जैसे मुझे यही लगता था कि मैं शायद डांस भूल जाऊं, या मैं कैटवॉक में कुछ गलती कर दूं. ओवरऑल मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था. स्टेज फियर तो नहीं था मुझे, बट यही चीज थी, तो मैंने उसको दिमाग से ही निकाल दिया, तो वो हुई ही नहीं मेरे साथ.
What do you learn from the pageant? Like कुछ ना कुछ तो हम सीख के आते हैं. तो what was the winning moment? After I definitely know you win the crown from Shamita, पर एक कौन सी चीज थी जो आपने अपने आप में जीती? Like I learned overcoming with the fears. So like how do you feel after winning कि हाँ चलो ये मेरे अंदर आज कुछ नया हुआ है?
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आई मेड माई पेरेंट्स फील प्राउड. ऐसा. बाकी मैंने आंसर भी यही दिया था कि मुझे पूछा गया था कि तुम्हें ये पैजेंट में क्यों आई हो. तो मैंने बोला फर्स्ट कि आई वांट टू मेक माय पेरेंट्स फील प्राउड. दैट्स तो प्रीटी ऑब्वियस. दूसरा था, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जब मैं जीती तो मैंने काफी लोगों को इंस्पायर किया. ऐसा नहीं था कि बस मैं थी, ओ आई एम दिस, आई एम दैट. नो. जब मैं बैक स्टेज भी थी, जितने भी लड़कियां जीती थी, तो मैं उनको एडवाइस कर रही थी, या जो नहीं जीती थी, इट्स ओके, क्या होता है, इट्स फाइन, फेलियर तो आता है नेक्स्ट टाइम. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था विनिंग मोमेंट यही था कि मैंने सबके साथ अच्छा सा बॉन्ड बनाया. आज भी मुझे सारे पैजेंट की लड़कियां, दे टेक्स्ट मी, आई टेक्स्ट देम. दूसरे स्टेट से जो भी आए थे, वी फॉलो ईच अदर ऑन टिकटॉक. तो ऐसे मुझे कभी नहीं फील हुआ कि मैं अकेली जीती थी या मैं हूँ. आई मेड अ गुड बॉन्ड. तो मैंने वो बहुत अच्छी चीज थी कि आई मेड गुड फ्रेंड्स, आई मेड बॉन्ड, आई लर्न एवरीबॉडीज न्यू कल्चर्स. लाइक अभी भी हम लोग जब भी शोज में मिलते हैं, हम न्यू जर्सी में एक दुल्हन एक्सपो में गए थे, वहां भी एवरीबॉडी वाज सो फ्रेंडली. ऐसा नहीं था कि हाँ ये जीती है तो ऐसा व्हाई वी शुड टॉक टू हर, या ये जीती है तो व्हाई वी शुड टॉक टू हर. I really made a good bond and friends. That's what I learned. क्योंकि मेरे इतने friends थे, but इतने नहीं थे. But I made really good friends.
So do you hang out with your My Dreams friend after like parties, this and that, after the show?
We did. We went to dance parties. We went to the club. I met my fellow mates Dhwanika, Mansi. I met Karishma. I met Rabia, I met Kiran. I didn't meet you because you are in Atlanta. But we used to. We celebrated Eid last time together. Salma, Amra, Uzma, everybody. Like,
So how was your Eid? It was yesterday. And Eid Mubarak.
It was amazing. Thank you. Thank you.
So
we definitely partied. Yeah.
You enjoyed yesterday just because of the COVID-19. You know how everything is locked down, and I know you are in New York, which is quite on the highest number. So what are you doing right now? Like, to inspire yourself, to motivate yourself. Like 2020 is definitely happening, South Asia. So this is the platform where you explore everything. Are you doing some steps forward that?
Sorry, hello.
Hello. Are you doing some steps for 2020? Like, are you preparing yourself for like 2020 में अभी South Asia के लिए when you were at COVID-19 and you have plenty of the time to think about कि मेरे को क्या करना है, this and that.
COVID में तो I am not preparing anything. We are just right now. I'm working from home. Then I'm just praying for the world. And as much as I can do for people. क्योंकि न्यूयॉर्क में सिचुएशन बहुत खराब है. तो people are not getting food. People are people are lacking. Their jobs, economy, and everything. So right now my mind is very into that. But I am just having good family time. I'm home. I'm not preparing for South Asia, but you gave me a good idea, so I'm gonna start preparing for it.
Yeah, it was very nice talking with you, Alicia. And I also know Alicia is an Alia. That's where we make some good bond. So, you want to tell something for our viewers?
Yes, I really want to first thank you for having me on the show and interviewing me. I really made a good bond with you, and I missed that time. And I know you are a very strong girl. You used to inspire, so many things going on in your life, but still you inspired us. And I feel you were the one who was very matured than others. But
Thank you
you were
so much.
fun loving person. You were very cool with us and stuff. And rest. Thank you so much for everything and having me on the show.
It was very nice meeting you, Alia. I'm definitely looking forward to see you in South Asia so we can still walk on the same floor and like did not think like oh kaun jeetega. It's gonna be us having rocking that stage. So
It's
we
all
can make
about
Rashmi
coming to
proud.
Atlanta, and it's
Yeah,
all about coming to Atlanta, making memories, making friends,
again.
doing this show, dancing, partying, and stuff. Yeah,
Yeah.
I really thank you and My Dream, India TV, My Dream Entertainment. I want to thank Rashmi Bedi and Janak Bedi for having me on this show and giving me the spotlight and limelight. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Um,
वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए माई ड्रीम टीवी यूएसए और पसंद आने पर लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई ड्रीम टीवी यूएसए।